In the newest episode of Building Resilience, we installed some multi-slide doors from PlyGem. The process begins with clearing space to work and laying out the frame parts on the floor. Seal the geometry of the frame before assembling it. Before inserting the frame into the opening, flash the sill one way or another. Flexible flashing tape is a great way to do it quickly. Extend about 6 inches up the jambs with the sill flashing. This flashing layer is for water protection. Now, use regular flashing to cover all the wall layers. This is an airtightness step, sealing all of the layers to connect the outer WRB back to the framing. We add a second piece of flashing tape to the face to ensure we have a solid seal from the WRB, and because we didn't have wider tape. Hopefully, you've verified that the opening is a 1/2 inch wider and a 1/4 inch taller than the door frame. Insert the frame in the opening, ensuring the face is flush with the outer face of the wall, and screw it in place. Doors are then popped into place like so. Actually, you have to tilt in the top of the door, swing in the bottom, and then drop it into place. Well, don't drop it. Set it into place so the rollers rest on the roller track. And you can adjust the rollers through the holes in the bottom of the doors. Slip the other doors in and you're ready to break for lunch.